Oh man, look at you guys. So Tyler, what are you gonna do for your Father's Day?
Well, I mean, I'm pretty sure there's only one thing to do on Father's Day.
And what's that?
That's to be a grill dad.
What's a grill dad?
All right, so Jason, you know what you need to be a grill dad?
What is that?
ButcherBox.
ButcherBox? One of my favorite cuts is the grass-fed strip steak. All right, you know what goes great with these steaks?
What's that?
A little bit of this secret rub. All right, so now we're grill dads, huh?
I think that's about right.
Can I be a grill dad without being a dad?
I think you can be a grill uncle.
Be the best grill uncle there is. What do you think, Tyler? Do you think the grill dad might show up?
Who's that?
Mike Salguero, founder of ButcherBox, the ultimate grill dad.
He just might.
You guys all good over here?
Yeah, doing good over here.
Up, gotta go.
Wow. Okay, take care.
All right, bye.
Yo, what up? This is Chef Jason from Truffle Shuffle, and I'm so excited to tell you that we're gonna be doing a collaboration with ButcherBox for Father's Day, showing you how to make such an incredible dish. Tyler, tell them about this dish.
All right, what's up everyone? This is Tyler with Truffle Shuffle. This Father's Day, we're gonna show you how to grill the perfect grass-fed New York strip steak coming from ButcherBox. We're gonna serve that with a beautiful barley salad, little grilled peaches, and endive. So make sure you don't miss it. It's gonna be unbelievably delicious for dad.
We're gonna be joined by a very special guest, and that is Mike Salguero, the founder of ButcherBox. We're gonna be cooking along with him on Father's Day, okay? And we're calling all grill dads everywhere. We wanna see you guys there. It's gonna be an incredible experience, okay? Check out a little sneak peek of what we're gonna be making.